How's it going, guys? It is Max. Welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial for the Oculus Quest 1 and the Oculus Quest 2. Maybe some Rift devices. I presume it's the same method. But anyway, today we're going to go over why the microphone might not work through Oculus Link. Basically, if you don't know what Oculus Link is, it's a cable which you connect through your USB 3.0 on your PC and your headset, and you can play PC games such as Half-Life Alyx or I don't know, whatever. But anyway, some people have issues with the mic not working, and everyone will get this at some point, so this video is quite helpful if you need it. So pretty much what you're going to do is you're going to go to your settings, and you're going to go to devices or whatever, but I'm not going to do that. We're going to go system, and we're going to go sound. And here you have got all of your devices. So right now, this isn't right, this isn't correct. But what you're going to do now is you're going to go to sound control panel, and it'll bring up this page. You've got a bunch of options, but you want to look for the one that says Oculus Virtual Audio Device, and you want to set this as your default device. It will change there as well, by the way. And then you want to go to recording, and you're going to, this is obviously what mic it would change it on this OBS, but you want to change it to this one and set as default device as well. My mic should still be working on OBS now, but anyway, so now you've done that, that is a big step in helping. So you want to go on the voice recorder. Once you're on the voice recorder, you can go to this icon. So right now, as you can see, there's no lines popping off it. See, however, if I put the headset on and launch it up, right, so if I use settings, Oculus Link now. Alright, so I'm in Oculus Link right now, and there should be some lines popping off. Yet that is indicating that my headset is working right now, which is really helpful if you need, obviously, that. However, if the lines are not popping off your headset, all you've got to do is unplug the headset and re-plug it back in. Super simple. Allow to access files, and then go back on Oculus Link and speak, and your mic should be picking up on the headset. So I hope this has helped someone at least, and if it has, have a good day, and hopefully this has worked. If you need any more help, I will leave down below my Discord and the Oculus Discord. I'm very active in both, and see that I do help a lot in the community. So yeah, hope this video helped you guys, and I'll see you guys later.